Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Mrs. Ashley and today we are going into another Dia & Co box. I actually went onto their website and I know I started off this channel with unboxing Dia & Co boxes, and this is the time where I am actually got another box. And I know I did just the regular Dia & Co box, and I will be doing that here very shortly, but this is their new active Dia & Co box. So this is for the month of October or the end of September. That's when I got it. I don't know if there's like a difference in like clothing choices or anything like that for month to month, but we'll definitely get to see that here today. And if you have not seen my channel before and you are new here, welcome. I am Mrs. Ashley and I do hauls inside the dressing rooms. I just recently added my playlist of the holiday, or well, for the seasons, and that's something that's going to be regular here on my channel. And I can't wait for you guys to meet some of my friends that that's gonna be appearing on my channel as well. So yeah, today is all about Dia & Co. So if you want to know a little bit more about Dia & Co, just keep on watching.
Every single day, I'm gonna make something great. That's my way.
Get a little card that basically says, Ashley, thanks for letting us style you. Now, if you don't know me, I am a type of person that doesn't really know my style. Some people may say that, oh, you know your style, you know what you like, you don't like, and everything like that. But at the end of the day, I really want to know other people's style and what would look good on an apple-shaped body like mine, because I'm 4'11", I'm not that tall, and I have an apple-shaped body. So I wanted to have other people that is in the industry of fashion to dress me, because of the fact that some people's idea of, you know, like a really good outfit on that person may look very different on that person. So I wanted to I'm still kind of finding my style, guys. Like, I am not the person that is like, yes, I'll make that work. Yes, I'll make that work. No, I'm not that confident yet. But all I know is that, yes, I know what I like and what I don't like, what would look good on my body, but I don't really know until I try it on. So don't get that mixed up. You get a style fee of $20, and that style fee, if you decide to buy or keep something, they will take that $20 off your order. And then also, if you decide to get everything in the box, it will be 25% off of the whole box. So you will get it way cheaper than what the actual prices on the items say. But basically, they'll pick all your items for you. You'll tell them what you like, what you don't like. And this is a great way for you to try new brands that you may not know about, or that may not be even in the store and you want to try. So I think that's a really great thing. So they pick out everything out that you may like, and they send it into a beautiful box. So right there has the active sticker. It's always packaged so nicely. So if you want to treat yourself to, you know, new clothing every like once a month, this is a really good box to get, because yeah, I love activewear. It is just my jam. Okay, so this is the shirt that I said that was cute, and it's cute from the back right there. you guys can see right there. And the front is, sorry for the girls, but basically the front is super just basic. I wanted you guys to see the bralette. Sorry about my stretch marks. That's what happens when you're a big girl. But so this sports bra is really nice. I like how chunky this is, but I don't like how this is rolling up. That means that it's just not fitting right on me. But it's super cute, and like the wideness of the band is amazing, but it's just a little funky on this part. So yeah, this is what that shirt looks like on, and I love this like sweetheart neckline. I don't know, it just gives that like really nice illusion because I do got small boobies, but I like this detail right here. It's very sleek, very me. I love the print on this. It's not fall, but I really like it. It makes me happy. And this is what the back looks like to it, and it flows obviously out at the end here, so it actually, you know, it has a little bit of length to it, and I super appreciate that. But I am 4'11", so this might not hit at the same spot than if somebody was taller or has a longer torso. But on me, I really like the length of this. This is kind of like, you know, it hugs, or I mean, it doesn't hug, it covers the belly and makes a little bit of a, like, what is it, like a shape to it without having to do anything funky. But I do love this shirt. Okay, so this is the Colfax jogger. I did tuck it in just so you can see the pants a little bit more. It hits here at my waist. It's baggy for sure, and at the bottoms they're a little long, but there's nothing like you can definitely you know, pull them up and stuff. So I actually like this. It's very super comfortable, super breathable. So that's what it looks like from the back. Gives me a little bit of a shape here. But yeah, I really do enjoy this comfortability of these joggers. Surprisingly, I thought they were gonna just be like, oh, it's just another sweatpants just tossed to the side, but actually I absolutely genuinely like these pants. Yeah. So these are the leggings. I could pull them all the way up here. It has a fat waistband right here, which I appreciate because I have really like the short torso going on, so this is like all of me right here. But I love it because it hugs this part of me, and if I were to go running and stuff, it won't like slip down. I don't have that problem. So that is a good part. And then the detail on just the detail on these leggings right here, it's like super unique, super fall. They're not really like, they don't have any see-through to them. It's just, I don't know, like, I like it. I like that it has a little bit of detail, but its function is to be comfortable but yet hugging so that it's not flopping anywhere and you're good to go Okay, so I wanted to go a little bit in on this detail. It says, hi Ashley, we know that finding clothing options that keep up with your busy life aren't that easy to find. That's why we decided to use our fit expertise to launch Dia & Co Active. And this is from my stylist, Brittany. Brittany, you did a really great job on this box for me. The only downside from the whole box was that sports bra. Dia & Co, you came back with it. So if you want to try this active line, definitely check out diaandco.com. I'll have everything down in the description box down below as well, because my phone's going off. But basically I have a code down there, so it's not affiliate code or anything like that. It's just a friends to friends code that to refer your friends to. And you are my friend, and I hope you guys enjoy getting the box, getting styled from Dia & Co. If you are a bigger girl, these definitely range from 14, the size 14 and up. So if you are part of the curvy family, just, you know, hit Dia & Co up. So yeah, that's it for this video. I hope my next Dia & Co box comes through, and I will see you guys in my next video. Like always, stay super sweet.